Hello there. My name is David Kuntz, and I'm a crypto addict. No, actually, I do like to get in and mess around with crypto. I've been actually investing in crypto since 2017, and been in and out looking at different types of cryptocurrencies and different coins and stuff. And I've done a lot of research. And in fact, you can see right now I have Soon Market up off the Proton network, and I'm looking at some of the NFTs on there that I like. Um, I have to say that if you haven't had a chance, if you're a crypto lover too, and you haven't had a chance to look at the Proton network or the Proton blockchain, I suggest you do. I love that chain. It's quick, it's fast, the fees are low. It's a great chain. If you do a little research and learn about it and the direction the team's trying to take it and the development that's going on around it right now, I think it's a diamond. It's going to be worth something a little more than it is right now one day, and now's a great time to get into it. And so the reason I'm doing this video is to show you how to onboard on the Proton blockchain, but mostly how to set up a wallet so that you can, if you want to get into it. This chain uses a wallet called Webauth, and Webauth it's non-custodial, and it relies on the Proton network. Any of the keys that you set up with this wallet actually get stored on your computer or on the device that you use, and isn't stored on an exchange somewhere where they can lock you out and take your money. And so that's really attractive to me, and seems like a good thing for a chain to have, the ability to be able to save your keys. Now, this Webauth wallet can be downloaded on a phone as an app. So you go to the app store and you look for Webauth, and you can download it and set it up on your phones, or you can do it on a PC or a laptop. I'm going to show you how to do it on a laptop. But if you do it on your phone, it makes it really easy because authentication can use biometrics off your phone to allow you to approve things through your wallet. So if you want to send money and it's asking for approval, it looks at your face, it recognizes you, and it helps you approve it. It's quick, it's really slick and easy. This chain, like I said, is slick. Without further ado, let's get going on setting up a Webauth wallet, and I'll explain a little bit about the Webauth wallet once we get into it. So the first thing you want to do, if you're doing it on a PC, then you want to open up a web browser, and you want to go to webauth.com. So I'm going to type that in, there it is, webauth.com. And I already have a wallet set up, so I'm going to actually leave this wallet and we're going to set up a new one. I'll show you how. Okay, so when you go to webauth.com, this is what you'll come to. It'll look just like this. Now, if you do it on a phone and you download the app, it'll also take you to this screen on your phone. So what we do here, you'll also do on your phone pretty much. So it's pretty similar. Now, if you have an old Proton wallet, because you got into it years ago and you never got back to it, and you want to pull the old Proton wallet into a Webauth wallet, that's what I suggest you do, because it is a lot quicker and a lot slicker. You just pull it in using the keys to the old wallet. It'll pull it right in. So, but for this video, we're going to set one up. So to set up a wallet, you'll go ahead and hit sign up. And here in this wallet, you'll be able to choose your account name. Now, this username is the name that people will use to send money to you. Well, that's what's really cool about this wallet is you create it's free. You create a human readable name, kind of like Twitter. You use an @ symbol, and you don't have to worry about some robotic wallet address that has a string of characters that a mile long that you have to try and copy and save and not lose. You just go in and put in a readable human @ name. You can see the restrictions down below, so you have to Keep it between 4 and 12 characters. Use lowercase letters only, and you can only use numbers between 1 and 5. You can't go above that right now. And you have to make sure it's available. But once you get verified with this wallet, you would actually get a check mark that says you're verified and your real name on the chain. So let's just pick a wallet name. I'm gonna make my wife a wallet because she'll love that. I know she wants a wallet really bad. So I'm gonna make her a wallet, and we're gonna call it Jamie. And her last letter of the first letter of her last name, and I'm gonna make it a 3 or a 2. Let's make a 2. And you can see that I fit the criteria. So I'm good to continue. That's going to be her @name, Jamie K2. Hit continue. And then here you would make a public name. So let's see. Let's call this wallet, so people think that Jamie is awesome, we're going to call it Awesome. Yeah, that's a good name. Public name. Awesome. All right, and we're going to hit continue. Okay, and then the next step is where you would pick a device type of authentication. Typically, or what I would use is Webauth in, if that's available to you. It should be, or you could use these others, but Webauth in is what I'll use. And then you pick the device you're on. I'm on an iOS system. So I'm going to type that in, iOS, and continue. And it's going to ask me to authenticate myself, to verify my identity. And so I need to put in my password. This is for this system, my password. Let me think. I got a few, so. There we go. Now that I've gone ahead and authenticated or verified who I was in the system, now I get a recovery phrase. Now the recovery phrase gives you 12 words, and they're random words. And these are words you want to keep so you can recover your wallet if you have to. If you change devices or something, you can pull in and recover your wallet with these passwords or with these words. But they have to be in order. I would not suggest that you save these on your computer on the device that you actually have your wallet and the keys. I would probably write them down and save them somewhere where you won't lose them. And for right now, I'm just going to take a picture on my phone of them, because in the next screen it's going to ask you what they are in order. So to confirm your phrase, make sure you have it written down or know it. It asks you to put them in order. So that's good. So let's see. Frozen. If I try to do it out of order, like hip is not in order, it's going to tell me I got the wrong word. So let's see. Frozen, submit, imitate, cotton, idle, oven, hip, and tonight. Oven, hip, and tonight. I'm just referencing the picture I took of it on my phone. Tent, ramp, dinosaur, bronze. Okay, so there's my my phrase. I'm going to go ahead and confirm it. And then it's going to ask me for my email. So basically it'll ask me for my email, and it'll send that code. It'll send me a code that I need to enter in for verification. So and there's my email. I'm going to go ahead and see. I'm going to open my email on my phone, and we'll get the code. Let's see here. Okay. Got my code. It's 98608. and another 8. Okay, so you'll basically get your email, get the code off your email, come type it in, and hit OK. And it takes a minute. And boom, this is the wallet. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, so you can see my name on my profile down there, Jamie K2 is there. And you can see that here on the home button, you can see I don't have anything in the balance because I just created it. But here on the home button, if I click that, it would show, if I loaded it up with different coins, it would show me the amount the coin's worth right now and how much I have of each coin and the value of my wallet. So what's really cool about this wallet is you can create multi-accounts in it. So if I click on here, you can see I already created 2 accounts here. These are 2 different wallets that I previously created in trying to, make this video. And I wanted to show that. So I can switch back and forth to these wallets pretty quick. I click on the one. Now I'm at Jamie K. If I click, you can see Awesome is the name of this wallet for Jamie 2, the one we just created. So you can do that. And then you can also import. So here's where you import another wallet with the keys. And then if you want to create more wallets, you just click create there, and you can just keep creating wallets. And you can create them within here, so you can switch back and forth and move money around. So that's really cool. You can have multi-account support. You can short stake Proton. So if you click Proton and you load up this with Proton, you can go in and you can stake it right here. You can say how many you're going to stake. Let's see if it lets me stake 0 because I don't have anything in it, but maybe. Oh, there you go. So you can stake it, and then what you can do is go in and you can vote for the different block producers. And so you do a little research and see which block producers, get to know them and see which ones have your best interests in mind. And you can vote for them with your staked coins, or you can put your coins, vote for them. And once you vote for them, then when they vote for different proposals in the Proton blockchain for changing and stuff, your vote helps go towards that vote. So you pick who you want to align with, and that's how we vote. One cool thing about this that I understand is that if you vote for 3 people, basically you can vote for 3 people. So I know you would select 3 people, but your return right now for APY, I think is 4.3% at the, well, I don't know what it is now. I think it might have said, but you get the same percentage return on all blockchains, no matter what you vote for, is what I understand. Just the amount of votes that those blockchains have put them in like an upper tier, from 1 to 12 or something, and then they have a tier of how many votes they get or whatever. So anyway, that's how you vote for them. That's how you stake it. And then what you can do is when you come back in the wallet, you can your staking rewards will start climbing here day by day, and you can actually come in and you can claim those staking rewards. I don't have any to claim, but when you have some, you can claim them, and you can actually, it gives you an option to roll them back in. So you can roll them right back in to stake, and you can just sit and compound Proton while it's sitting in your wallet, which is a good thing. It's a little bit of passive income. Over time, it may add up pretty quick. So anyway, that's how you would stake in the wallet, which is really cool. You can vote, like we said. Actually, you can vote for 4 blockchain producers. And then I just showed you how you can claim rewards. Let's see, you can swap. So I'll show you how you can swap. Go to the swap here, and you can swap your favorite crypto coins back and forth. You can swap right here through the swap. You can swap Bitcoin if you want over to Ethereum. And notice they're X Bitcoin, X BTC, and X Ethereum. They're wrapped tokens. So this bridge here allows you to bring in Ethereum and wrap it, and bring in Bitcoin and wrap it, and other chains and wrap it that are available here, you'll see. And then you can go and swap them and move money around if you want, without paying a huge fee, which is an advantage. If you look, we have a DEX. So you can use a DEX to trade and buy. And the cool thing about this DEX is, like I said maybe earlier, is that they don't have your keys. You have your keys. You own all your keys, so they can't lock you out. I mean, as far as getting your money and stuff, it's all tied to your wallet. So that's really cool. You can jump into liquidity pools if you want. Here you have liquidity pool pairs. Pretty good percentages on some of them. If you do get into liquidity pools and into farming, you want to make sure you understand impermanent loss. So do a little research on that. But here you can do some farming. Look at the percentage of XPR and SNP. It's 126. So you can earn quite a bit. 90% between XPR and StoreX. These change as people jump in and out of them. But so you can farm. You can onboard fiat if you want. Bring in fiat. Once you set yourself up in your identity, you can put on a card and pull in fiat. You can do trades. This is really cool. You can swap different NFTs if you want, or tokens for NFTs. And then they have a loan site. Just click on Proton Loan. It takes you to a loan page where you have all these markets. You can actually bring your wrapped Ethereum or wrapped Bitcoin or Dogecoin, Tether. You can bring it in and you can lend it and you can borrow it. So if you need to take out a loan on a bunch of money you have in this wallet, you can come in and borrow against it and pay yourself interest rather than the bank. You can put it up for other people to lend and make money, earn interest on it. So, and then let's see. This will tell you your portfolio. It'll tell you how much you earn and your rewards you can claim. You can see that this program already has my other wallet logged in. So here I'm on loan. I have some staked. I actually have a little bit I can claim on this wallet. But yeah, you can stake Proton Loan. And then you can go back to the DEX. But a little bit of information if you want to go to docs and look at some of the additional reading and stuff. But anyway, but that's the Webauth wallet. One thing I like about the Webauth wallet too is that you can send and receive XPR for 0 fees. And it's super fast. It's like lightning quick. This is the easiest wallet you're going to find in crypto. There's a lot of other people, a lot of other coins trying to make it as quick and easy as this. But right now, these guys have a really sweet thing going. This chain is awesome. NFTs, your wallet can show you NFTs in the system that you might have. I started out showing you on the Soon Market NFTs. So once you purchase them, they end up showing up in your wallet. And it keeps an inventory balance of what your NFTs are worth. You can send and receive NFTs using the barcode scanners if you want. And then if we go back to tokens, if you want to send somebody a token, I'll show you that quick. Let's say I want to send a Proton. I can send it through the Proton network. If I want to send it out to the Ethereum network, like, I don't know, onto an exchange maybe, you can send it through these different networks. But Proton's the one you want. You want to send it through if you're sending to somebody back and forth in their wallets. You just click on this. Oh, it says I have to identify myself. But let's say I want to send Proton. I can search for, let's say, the first wallet I set up was Jamie K, I think. So there she is. Click on that. I can tell them how many I want to send. I'm going to send 1 XPR. I don't have anything in here, so it's not going to let me. If I say 0, maybe it'll let me go further. So let me try and put 0. No, it won't let me. Okay. Anyway, so that's how you would send it. You know, you'd hit continue and it'd let you authorize and send it. If you wanted to bring in on your wallet, if you wanted to bring in Ethereum, so I'm going to click on Ethereum. Whoops. Let's see. I can, yeah, there we go. I can bring in Ethereum to my wallet here. And I want to bring it from an exchange, so I have to bring it in on an Ethereum chain. I would have to go through the identification that's required. Basically showing my identity, KYC basically. Once I get through that, then it would allow me to bring it in on an Ethereum chain, and it would wrap it for me and put it in as wrapped Ethereum in the wallet here. And then I can move it around and lend it and do whatever I want for practically, well, no fees. I mean, nothing, next to nothing. And it's fast. Anyway, yeah, so that's the Proton wallet. I'm trying to think what else I could show you. Let's just make sure I covered everything. You can use multi-network support, or there's multi-network support. So Stellar, BEP20, and ERC20 are all supported on this. You can send and receive XPR from KuCoin as well. So if you have a bunch of stuff on KuCoin and you want to onload a bunch of Proton, you could buy it there and send it straight to this wallet. When you click on KuCoin, you just type in your @name in the wallet you want to send it to, and it comes right to this wallet, to your wallet. So it is a slick system. One of the funnest and craziest blockchains that I've dealt with. So if you want to have a little fun and tinker around a little bit, this is the way to do it. I would suggest go do a little research, but set you up a wallet, give it a try and see how it goes. You'll love it. You'll think, man, this is great. Where has this been? Anyway, I hope this helps. I hope you get a little bit of information out of it and know how now at least to set up and get into Proton a little bit if you want. I may do another video to show you how to buy an NFT and how to get around a little bit, send money maybe, or do some other things within the system. But if you have any questions, my name is David Kuntz, and if you want to reach out to me, I'll help you. My Twitter account is @DavidKellyKuntz. So go ahead and DM me and ask any question you want. I'll try and help you. All right, have a good night. Thanks.